Here is a quick tip for you if you use the Haukland 7-in-1 Parka Pro photography jacket or the classic version. Both have a two-way zipper, which means that you can close and open the jacket in two ways. Many people are not aware of this, but it's not only good for the longevity of your jacket, but also for usability. I show you how this works. So you can close your jacket in a regular way all to the top. I have now a microphone, so I cannot close it, but here in Scotland when I photographed, I usually close it all the way up to the chin. It's very warm then and very comfortable. And then when I want to have something from the bottom or from the inside, I don't open from the top, I open from the bottom, like this. I can open all the way up here and I can easily access now from the bottom to the inside mini photo bag or to whatever I need, maybe something from my fleece pockets and so on and so on. And when you want to bend down, just do it the same way. Just open it a little bit, it doesn't have to be that much, just like this. Then you can easily bend down without putting too much pressure on the zipper. It's much more comfortable, much more flexible, and that's how it has to be actually. That's why it's a two-way zipper. So now you know how to use your jacket system more efficient.